Before you start planting this season, your greenhouse needs one important thing: proper cleaning and sanitizing. A clean greenhouse helps prevent pests, diseases, and ensures your plants grow healthier and stronger. Start by removing all plants, dead leaves, weeds, and any unused tools. Old organic matter can carry pests and diseases into your new growing season. Next, sweep the floors and wipe down all surfaces. Don't forget shelves, benches, and corners where dirt can build up. Wash glass panels, plastic covers, and frames using warm, soapy water. This removes algae, dirt, and buildup from the previous season. Now sanitize everything using a mild disinfectant solution. This helps kill bacteria, fungi, and harmful pathogens. Don't forget your tools, pots, and trays. Soak them in disinfectant and let them dry completely before reuse. Inspect vents, windows, and structure for damage. Good airflow helps prevent mold and keeps plants healthy. Once everything is clean and dry, you're ready to prepare your soil and start planting again. For more gardening tips, check the description or contact us below. Visit Saksby.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.